Think you're ready for a challenge? Let's dive in and crush it. Whether you're a coding newbie, a culinary artist, or a public speaking prodigy, the topic challenge is your chance to shine. Here are 3 simple tips to help you conquer it with confidence. First, set a clear goal. Know what you want to achieve and break it down into manageable steps. Think of it as building a Lego masterpiece, one brick at a time. Second, practice makes perfect. Dedicate time each day to hone your skills. Remember, even the greatest athletes and artists started somewhere. Consistency is key. Third, stay positive and embrace the journey. Challenges are meant to push you out of your comfort zone and help you grow. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and learn from your mistakes. So are you ready to take on the topic challenge? Believe in yourself, stay focused, and most importantly, have fun. You've got this. Now go out there and show the world what you're made of. Don't forget to share your journey with us and inspire others to join the challenge too. Let's make this a movement of growth and learning together. Good luck.